changing the timber batten size when using our Proplank click-in batten system will change the costs. So I'll give you two quick examples using Victorian ash battens. First example is using the same width, so 40mm wide, but different depths. So this one's 40mm wide by 20 deep, and this one's 40mm wide by 30 deep. So take the 40 by 30 batten I have here. If you were to use this with 20mm spacing, this would cost you around $250 a square metre. Now take the 40mm wide by only 20mm deep. If you use this with a 20mm spacing, this would cost you around $180 a square metre. So there's a $70 per square metre saving by just reducing the depth of the batten by 10mm, so from 30 down to 20mm. The second example is using the same size piece of timber. So both of these 30mm wide by 60mm deep, but one is used 60mm wide by 30mm deep and the other one can be used 30mm wide by 60mm deep. So the 30mm wide by 60mm deep, if you were to use this in your project with a 20mm space, this would cost you around $400 a square metre. If you flip the batten over to make it a 60mm wide by only 30mm deep with a 20mm space, this will cost you around $265 a square metre. So just by flipping the batten round, you're still using the same size piece of timber, that's a $135 cost saving. Now what I mean by the spacing, that's the space between the battens once they're installed. So between here and here, as you can see on the diagram. If you have a project coming up, you'd like more information on the pricing or have any questions, get in touch. Our team are here to guide you through the process so you can find the right batten size at the right price for your project.